So we'll get the value of lambda is 2 by 3. So what you can understand here, the question is to find P of E1 over A anta kelidare nodri. Okay, E1 over A anta kelidare. Hence this must be equal to P of A over E1 into P of E1 divided by P of A over E1 into P of E1 plus P of A over E2 into P of E2 means what? Once again you have to apply the base theorem. ಎರಡು ಸರಿ base theorem ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so ಇದು already ನೀವು calculate ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತದ್ದೇ. So right, so P of A over E1 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? We have already calculated this part. 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 plus what is P of A over E2 is 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. Clear? Therefore, what should be the final answer? So 2 divided by 6, 2 divided by 6 plus 2 divided by 6. So it must be equal to 2 by 6 into 6 by 4 must be equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 andre yavadagutte nodi option nu? Option D is correct. Option D was correct. I repeat once again. Now first base theorem apply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ this part is nothing but P of A over E1. ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 by 3 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಇದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು A over E1 ನೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ 2 by 3 ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೀರಿ. Okay, please ensure that you have understood the difference between A over E1 and E1 over A. Okay, so ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ವಾಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Clear? Okay, now let's go with the 15th question, so which was once again on the probability. Okay, probability ಮೇಲೆ questions ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Let us understand it. There are 3 persons. Okay, the probability of solving a problem by these 3 persons A, B and C. So independently ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So P of A is equal to 1 by 2, P of B is equal to 1 by 4, P of C is equal to 1 by 3. Then what is the probability of solving a problem, right, is solved by any 2 of them? ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಜನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So understand, if A is, try to understand, if A is a success, then what is failure? Probability of A complement is 1 by 2. Similarly, what is probability of B complement is 3 by 4. What is probability of C complement is nothing but 2 by 3. Andre, the probability of solving problem is this probability. The probability of not solving problem is these values. So what do you mean by only 2 of them? I repeat, only 2 of them will solve. Andre, ಏನೇನ್ possibility ಇದೆ? The required probability is ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು? 3 ಜನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? A ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ B and C has not solved. Sorry, only 2 has solved ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Means C has not solved. Possible? Or B has not solved. A ಮತ್ತು C ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Or B and C has solved but A has not solved. I repeat, ಈ 3 ಜನದಲ್ಲಿ what is the probability that 2 of them has solved ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. A B ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ C ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ A C ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ B ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, B C ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ A ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. And more importantly ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, they are nothing but independent events. So independent events ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಇದೆ. P of A intersection B intersection C can be written as P of A into P of B into P of C ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Hence considering the same thing, P of A into P of B into P of C complement. Try to understand. P of A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into C complement, that is nothing but 2 by 3 plus A 1 by 2, B complement 3 by 4, C 1 by 3. Next, A complement 1 by 2, B 1 by 4, C is nothing but 1 by 3. Now it's all about calculation part. So pratyondralli denominator same ide. Let us take it as 2 into 4 into 3, that is 24. So numerator ashte add madi, 2 plus 3 plus 1. So is it equal to 1 by 4? Hence, what should be the answer in this case? 1 by 4. That is option A is correct. So for this problem, option A was correct. I hope you are following this. Try to understand what is the probability that two of them has solved anta helidre, third person is not solving andangene artha. Third person is not solving andre there are three possibilities. A solve madirlikkilla, B solve madirlikkilla and C solve madirlikkilla. So these are the possibility cases. Okay, next.